Welcome to this impeccably maintained ranch-style home, nestled on a generous 1.4-acre lot. This property presents a rare opportunity, exuding pride of ownership at every turn. The main level features an inviting open floor plan, accentuated by 3/4 hickory floors sourced from Chelsea, Michigan. Enjoy picturesque views of undeveloped acreage, complemented by a corner gas fireplace featuring an electric insert for added ambience. Continuing through the home, the kitchen and dining area seamlessly integrate the same stunning hickory flooring. The updated kitchen boasts ample cabinet and counter space, a pantry, and an island, ideal for culinary enthusiasts. Dine in style within the spacious dining room or step out onto the deck, complete with privacy louvers, for al fresco meals. The main floor primary suite offers a retreat-like ambience, complete with a walk-in closet and a private bath. The ensuite bath features dual vanities, a jetted tub, and a separate shower for ultimate relaxation. 2 additional generously sized bedrooms, each offering ample closet space, and a family bath, along with convenient main floor laundry facilities, round out this level. Descend to the recently remodeled lower level, where luxury vinyl plank flooring sets the stage for an inviting atmosphere. Wired for surround sound and offering access to a private patio, this space is perfect for entertaining. A 4th bedroom and 3rd full bath provide added convenience, while ample storage ensures organizational ease. Noteworthy features include a fenced backyard, 200 amp